Jeff, roll over. Roll over.
Good doggy. Good doggy. What the hell?
Oh, you were snoring again. Louder than ever.
I don't hear anything.
Because you're awake, like I've been all night.
Tell you what, I'll let you go back to sleep first.
Thank you.
Are you still awake?
Yes.